Hey guys, I hope you're good. This is Max from MHS Prod and today we will do an amazing tutorial about growth system inside Cinema 4D. Let's take a look at what we're gonna learn. First example, we will see how to make this incredible procedural growth effect inside Cinema 4D without any plugin. We will also see how to make this nice scene with all this little colored cube. Really fun and really nice. And in last, we will see how to make reaction diffusion like effect like this directly inside Cinema 4D. For this effect, I want to give credit to Tim Clapman, who made an amazing video called SIGGRAPH Rewind. You must watch this video because this is where I learned and watched how this effect can be achieved. So I need to give him credit for this effect. And by the past, I've also created some reaction diffusion in Cinema 4D, but it was with displacement. And if you want to create your own reaction diffusion, you can see how to do it. Just type it in YouTube and you will find really interesting tutorial. And if you are an Houdini user, I think that Entagma also done a reaction diffusion effect. Okay, just before starting this little tutorial, I will introduce you to our Facebook group called Motion Designers Community. You can join, share your work, talk with people, and have a great time with the community. This is a really nice place. You can also visit our website with tutorial. You have contests, a nice shop, and you can see what's going on in terms of events. Our next event will be in London, and the Motion Designers Community events are really nice. You can meet people in real, and okay, that's super cool. So if you want to meet the community, just take a look at the website. And I think we can start right now. I don't want to talk too much before we do the tutorial. Just take a look at the website and the YouTube channel, and you will get many resources. So let's start with new scene. I will add a little time code under the video so you can jump. If you just want to learn reaction diffusion, just go in the description and type and click at the right time. We will start by this nice little example with the cubes. Okay, let's create a new file and we are ready to start. First thing we are gonna do is to take a cloner. You can find the cloner right there. This is exactly the same cloner as this cloner. Also, I hope that you will understand everything. I'm from Paris and I try to do English tutorial, but it's not my native language, so I can make some mistakes. I apologize for them. Let's take the cube and let's set a really little dot like this, really tiny. And let's put our cube inside our cloner. Let's change the mode of the cloner into grid array. Note that everything you will learn today can be applied with another object, that cube, and another pattern. I just want to show you how it works and then you can apply it on your own side. So let's go and let's take a 40 by 40 and 1 in Y to have this nice pattern. Let's set the clone mode in instance mode inside multi-instance to have something running a bit smoother. And let's increase the size like this. I think that's pretty good. Let's take this angle of view. We can change it after, but that's nice. And what I want to do is to have my cubes growing and just moving in Y. So I will use MoGraph effector plane. The plane allow you to do a simple PSR modification. So what we want to do is to move our cube, let's say by this value. You can set any kind of value, but okay. And let's change the scale, uniform scale, and let's increase our size by 12, maybe 20. Okay, looks nice to me, but as you see, every cubes are affected. So I want to go inside the fall off, and I want to add a spherical field. This is my starting point, my 4 cube. I will go into my fall off, and I will go into remapping and just disable the offsets. I want to have something flat like this, and I can change my size. Let's just select the 4 cubes there. Looks nice to me. And what I want to do now is a growth effect, and we have a brand new freeze right there in the effect to do amazing growth effect. I will quickly show you how the freeze works so you have a complete understanding of this effect. So I will take my freeze and I make a really little pause to show you what it's doing in average and in grow mode. Let's see what the freeze effect do. I have this small emitter drawing this vertex weight effect, and we will focus on the 2 mode average and grow because it's the 2 modes that you will use today. The average mode will do a little average and will help to blend things together by adding like a sort of blur effect. It will be used to create the reaction diffusion effect because it's blurring something. And the growth effect is pretty easy to understand. You see, you have a simple grow effect. Back on our scene, let's click on the plane effector and add the freeze effect. On my freeze effect, I will set the blending mode into max, and same thing for spherical field, so I can have a blending between these 2 fields. If I click play, nothing happens. You need to go on freeze, set the freeze mode to grow, and I will enable remapping to have this remap. If I click play, still nothing happens. I need to set the radius, and as soon as I see these little cubes, my effect will appear. Nice and really nice. I can also animate the spherical field to make cool driven growth effect, but let's stick with this simple example. I want to add randomness to this, so I will simply go there, select the random field, and right now it's not the effect I want. I will set my random field to subtract, and now nothing happened. I will increase my freeze radius, and right now things will happen. I can also change the effect strength to have something faster. This is nice. Right now I can go in my random field and I can change the random mode into noise, and I will be able to use any type of noise right there to drive it. I can change the scale, I can change the noise type. Let's take for example cell, and I will have this really nice growing effect. Pretty nice. Now I will show you a little trick with Redshift Render. Let's open the Redshift Render view and let's start Redshift. Okay, I will not use Redshift too much today, but I want to show you that you are able to get the R20 colors inside the node. So how I do this? I can go inside my fall off and let's take for example one colorizer. Let's set the gradient to something cool. Let's take flame. I have my color right there, but it's a C4D shader. It's pretty bad and I have no glossiness or anything. If I create a redshift material, a simple redshift material, and if I put it on my cloner, you see I do not have the color. So how I get these colors? It's pretty simple. Let's open the redshift material. Let's go there, and you will find under I guess it's utilities, C4D, no, user data, color user data, and right there you will be able to take MoGraph color. If I set it in diffuse color right there, I will get back my color, and this is a redshift shader, so I can play with everything, add a glossiness, and it's really nice. So that's how we get the MoGraph color in the fields. You do your colors right there, you go in user data, color user data, and you select color. It's just a little tip for you guys if you want to do some nice renders. Okay, pretty nice effect. This is our first effect. We are happy with it, and if you render it, you will get this. Pretty nice. Now let's see how we can make this second effect, this nice bubble growth. Really nice. I love it. It's really fun to see. And let's go. So I will disable everything and let's start from scratch. I will start with a little matrix, and I will change a few things. I will up this value and I will up this value, and I will decrease the size right there. Let's 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Looks good to me at the moment. It's pretty much the same effect as the first one. We will just need to mesh it, and one good thing using the matrix is that it's so much faster than cloner effect. It's one good point, and I will be able to mesh it with the new volume builder and volume mesher. So let's do the same thing. Let's take plane effector. So let's go in MoGraph effector, plane effector, and MoGraph effector delay. Let's set the delay in spring and let's add 60. Let's go in our plane and add the delay in my matrix, and right now I will add the view change inside parameter. Let's change this to 10 for example, and scale to 10. I guess this is nice. Maybe it's too much, I don't know. Let's set 10 at the moment. Let's go into fall off and let's take our spherical field. Nice. I can decrease a bit the effect. Okay. Then I will set it to max. I will go there and I will add my freeze effect. Really nice. I will also set it to max and I will add my random field. Same thing as the first example. Set this to subtract. Let's add a noise and let's see what's going on, guys. Nothing. Let's set the freeze to grow and let's see what's going on. Nothing too exciting. So Let's increase a bit the radius. And we have this nice effect. I love this. And right now I will mesh this. So let's take our matrix. Let's take our volume builder. Let's put a matrix inside the volume builder. Let's change the volume builder size to something like 1 so I can see my effects. And let's add this into a volume measure. And right now I have my effect. Pretty nice. Let's see what's going on. Let's change the, for my example, the voxel size. 3 can be okay. Blah 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 blah. Really fun and really easy to do. And I can add, for example, plane right there. Just add this a bit so I can have the effect happening on the floor or something. It's nice. And I can also increase the plane effector influence like this to have something far bigger like this. So you have something more bubbly. Blah, 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 blah. Really nice. I think this is really fun to do and really strange. I don't know what you guys will make with this effect, but it will be amazing. And then just increase the volume builder size, the voxel size, and then just make cool animation. So the two gross effects, the two first gross effects, pretty nice and really fast to do. You can make it like in 2 minutes. So thank you Cinema 4D R20. Right now we will see the reaction diffusion effect, and as I said, this credits goes to this guy Tim Clapman, and this video it's free to watch. You can watch it, so just go and watch it and subscribe to University like me, give a like, and that's pretty nice. Let's go and let's take our plane again and again. And one last thing, on Instagram one guy made a really nice reaction diffusion effect, this one with Cinema 4D, all procedural. It's really nice and really fun to see. No Houdini involved there. I don't know if he watched the tutorial by Tim, because before discovering the tutorial by Tim I just go inside, I just reposted this image and I saw that the guy explained how he made the effect. So I don't know if this is what motivates me to reproduce the effects inside 4D, and then I find the Tim Clapman stuff. Okay, so let's edit the plane. No, let's add more vertex, because we will modify vertex map. So modify the vertex map, hit C, select one point, hit A. I have errors on my keyboard. Okay. Let's go to edit, let's go to select and set vertex weight. Let's hit OK. And now we have a beautiful vertex map, only in red. Nice. Let's use field. And I have the freeze effect right there, but nothing happened. I will add again and again my spherical field, and you see I'm able to create some weighting. So little size, and I will do like everybody does. Take the spherical field there. Let's add a key on it. Let's go there and let's move it. Nice. Now the reaction diffusion works with doing some gross effect and blur it and re-blur it and create this nice reaction effect. So I want to only have my spherical field at the moment. Pretty nice. And I want to add my first freeze effect. So let's go and let's select freeze. I will set the freeze in average, and I will decrease this value a bit, and I will set the mode into max and this one into max too, and see what's going on. Nothing. I will click auto update and I will see my trail. Nice. Pretty nice. Now I want to add a curve, and I will move this curve something like this. Let's see what's happening. I have this nice trail. I can change it, set it like this. Okay, I have this nice effect. Right now I want to add some randomness to it, so I can add random field. I will set the random field to overlay, and I will set it to noise. I will now add some noise to it. Pretty fun. Okay. Right now I want to add my other freeze. Let's go. Let's select. Let's use freeze, and I want to set it into average mode, auto update, and I want to increase this value to have an effect coming. Nothing going on because I need to subtract this freeze to the other. Let's see. We start to go somewhere. Nice. And I want to sharp this effect, so let's go in curve and let's add another curve. Maybe I want to create something here, no, here, and see what's going on by adding this in and nice. I'm happy. I have my gross effect, and the nice thing is that you can apply this effect to any layer. You can apply this effect to when you main body, download it on DAZ, then you repost it on Instagram with hashtag AMD community, and you get tons of followers, tons and tons of followers. And I can now select my plane and add the displacer into it, shading, effect. I use the French version of Cinema 4D every time, so I can be a bit long sometimes because everything is ordered in another way. Vertex map, go to vertex map and put your vertex map there. Now let's go to displacer, change the size. Woo! Crazy man. 2, 3, 2, and I just need to add more subdivisions to this. Let's say for example this into this, and I will have my gross effects. Woohoo! Pretty magic, pretty easy to do, and you can apply this on any mesh. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. As I said, for this part I didn't do so much things myself. I just learned on internet on this masterclass, tried my own thing, but nothing really crazy. My own part is more showing you how to do the basic gross effect. This is another try, but as people asked on Instagram, people ask on the Facebook group, hey, how to make this effect? I make this small video and here is the effect, and you can apply it everywhere. So thank you for watching this video. Feel free to join the Facebook group, come to the event, click on Facebook, invite your friends to come to the event, subscribe to Motion Designers community, learn reaction diffusion, the real reaction diffusion, because what I show you is just like a small tricks, and watch this video, and I guess you have other videos, and subscribe to the Motion Designers community channel. We have really nice tutorials, and see you next time guys. Bye.